And his opponent in the red corner, Mark Angelo Quinayo! Round one.
Our last and final match for the snap battle tonight. Here they are. But before we begin, let them talk. And what's your opinion on your opponent, Mark? English, please. English.
Ito lang sasabi ko, kung wala ka sa namin mo, kung may kinakalagyan ako, ito isang malaking turo, mas makapalit malakas ang sabi ko sa'yo.
I didn't understand what you just said. Okay, he said, do your best. Make sure you're not better than your mom, your sister, everyone in your home, okay? What's your response?
Bago ako mag-response. Tagalogin ko para maintindihan nila. Before you talk to you.
Yon!
Good morning all! DNC! Dinasin Petrop! Good morning sa lahat! Dr. Russell! Papakita ko sa inyo ang magandang laban itong araw na to. Papatunayan ko sa inyo kung sino talaga mananay. Jordan Maslog, ikiili kami. Uy, hamin ng malakas! Wala na iba!
He just said his name is Boy Air. What does that mean? Anong ibig sabihin? Bakit Boy Hangin?
Ibig sabihin ng buyangin, pinakabalakas na bagyo, ipo-ipo yung kamay ko kung nakatama sa mukha ng kalaban. Sigurado, mga natugod ko